Yo, Rishi, call 911. Call 911. Oh my God.
Someone call 911?
Yeah, Rishi's calling 911.
King George Highway, Highway 99.
Yo, are you okay?
Yeah, we're good. We're all good.
Okay. Just chill, we called the police already.
Kick it. Yeah. Grab the corner. Do it this side. I'm already on the cops. Yeah, okay. Okay, grab the corner. Okay. Watch your fingers. Pull. Yeah, we're just trying to get the gun.
Shit, man.
You okay? Here too. You alright? Okay. Yeah. Oh fuck, I don't have my knife on me. What's that? Yeah, it tears open.
Yeah, we could. There's enough of them.
Can you climb out the top?
Yeah, you can open it.
Oh my God, man.
Repeat that?
The top window.
Someone cut that.
But we should try to.
Highway 99 south of that. There's the three wood.
I wonder if I should climb up. Oh, there.
Hold it down, I won't be able to get out.
Yeah, we'll hold the door. Bro, you want to take a corner like that? Next time, get a motorcycle. You alright? You guys okay? How many of you are in there?
Three of us.
You got kids in there?
No.
You good?
Yeah.
You're not hurt at all, eh?
No, we're all good.
Oh, thank God.
Okay.
You lost the wheel, man.
You guys need to sit down though. Even though you're
might be in shock. Yeah.
sit down, okay? I'm not joking, dude. Sit down.
Get out of the car. Don't worry about your belongings. They're not going anywhere. Get out of the car.
I know I do this for a living, brother.
You good?
You guys gotta sit.
Whoa.
What was it happen?
Huh?
What happened? Like,
Oh, he just flipped over on the way. I don't know.
it came this way from
Yeah, it just flipped right in front of me.
Negative.
Yeah, we should get the fuck out of here. You guys good? Nobody's hurt? No blood? Good, brother?
Okay, brother, look at my nose. I want you to close your eyes, okay? Okay, now open your eyes and look at my nose.
Honestly, no.
Oh, you got the new one, you bastard? Oh, wait
Yeah.
a minute. You are the bastard.
I am the guy.
No way. Never thought I'd meet you.
Hey, you got
How'd
the.
you get that?
I made it. You got the blade kit I see on
I
there.
have the blade.
Nice. Oh, sick.
I have the blade. But I saw this, and because I have another helmet. I have a good helmet. This is my. I got the wrong helmet on today.
Yeah.
Dude, they
What
got
a-
straight at us.
Oh, I know. We're gonna watch it later, dude. This is
Coming
insane.
at you guys, eh? I didn't see that part.
Went on the fucking wood part here.
Right when he hit it, I was passing him, so I heard it and saw his tail end.
off.
Rishi,
looked, I
were you
saw the
behind
goal.
me?
I was so fucking.
Dude, it was
Holy
coming
fuck.
right for us, dude.
Holy shit. I had to
Holy
pin it to get the
fuck.
fuck out of the
Holy
way.
shit.
I dropped a gear and I just fucking pinned it to get out.
Dude, I had that like danger on the left, but like tunnel
Literally
vision
coming
to the
right
right.
at us.
Yeah.
Holy shit, man.
Nothing hurts? Are you sure? You have seatbelt on?
Okay, you guys should really just stay sitting.
Yeah.
Best place for you.
Yeah.
Is mine on? I can't tell.
Did you guys have seatbelts on? Were you guys all wearing seatbelts? Yeah.
Go to the
God.
further light, and then you go stuck in it. Let's move with that thing and
Oh, man. I
I brought the wrong helmet. I normally have everything on my GoPro here. I have an Awry. That's why I want to put that on.
I'm sure half of us have the footage.
I was going to say, I hope someone, can you get it to me?
Yeah, for sure.
All right.
Crazy, man. Are we rolling out?
Yeah, it's that way.
Okay. Oh my god.
Yeah, I called the cops. They got my phone number.
Okay.
I saw it. I was like, fuck, all I could think was all the other riders behind me.
Yeah, dude. It almost hit me, actually.
Something else, man.
Crazy.
Makes me wish I had a dash cam.
Half of us got one, man. So that truck literally came right at me. It flipped in front of my face and in front of Rishi's face. We have it on GoPro. I will post it later. It was insane. It's fucking insane. Oh man, I'm still shocked, dude. Oh man. Is it still recording?
Yeah.
Holy shit. Insane.
Dude,
I'm so glad.
Right.
Dude, they're not hurt at all?
I think they're drunk. I saw a bottle of liquor. I told them to dump it.
Oh, really? Oh, man. I'm so happy we didn't get hit.
Dude. Fuck.
Oh, I don't know. Do you want to just keep going? I don't know the way.
Yeah, let's go.
Do you know the way, though?
Yep.
Okay.
I have it on my GPS.
Okay.
If you're new to the channel, hi, I'm Mr. LightMode. I spent the last 7 years or so designing cool looking futuristic lights for motorcycle helmets, kind of like these. If you're interested to learn more about how to install one of these on your helmet, click the link right up there. Or if you want to order one for yourself, just click the first link in the description below. Thanks for watching.